and I'm going to obviously put this on my lips. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, even though I haven't done anything yet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. As you can see, today is going to be a makeup tutorial, and I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to get right to the point. So let's go. As you guys already know, starting off with my Fenty Beauty primer. We're just going to go ahead and prime. Alright, that was quick and easy. So now I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. And we're going to get into these eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Bright Future Concealer, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to take my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to do that. Alright, so I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I am going to take this bright red right here, and I'm going to go into the crease. Alright, I'm about to go into my Tartlette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to deepen the crease some more with Leader. And now we shall cut the crease. This is going to be a big cut. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toffee, and we're going to go ahead and get into that right now. Going back into my Morphe palette, I'm going to take this color that's right above the bright red, and I'm going to go into my inner corners. Alright, next color I'm going to take is the red right here, and I'm going to go right next to it. So now I'm going to go and take Leader right next to that again. I'm going to use a light hand because I don't want it to be too dark. I'm going with black next. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Stila felt tip liner. Hopefully I don't mess up. And I'm gonna darken this area in the corners where I did the black. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gold glitter eyeliner and I'm going to line my cut crease. Yes. Okay, so now that the eyes are basically out the way, it's time for foundation. I am taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 440. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight. I'm taking my Kat Von D concealer in the color D37. Alright, so I'm about to bake. I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Okay, so my camera battery, well, not my battery, but my camera memory is about to be full, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I'm going to highlight with Summer. Alright, so now I'm gonna line my lips real quick with Bittersweet by MAC. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Kat Von D in Vampira, and I'm going to obviously put this on my lips. All right. So now I'm just gonna set. And we are all finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you thumbs this video up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and down below in the description. And yeah, let me hurry up and get off of here before my memory gets full. Bye!